At the end of the lesson, Andy and Louise talked to the focus pupils to get their perspectives on what worked for them and how they think the lesson could be changed if it were taught again to another class.
Right, girls, we're going to ask you a few questions about the maths lesson to find out what you think went really well and what you think we could do maybe a little bit better next time we do it, okay? So first question, what did you enjoy most about the lesson?
I enjoyed doing calculations with number cards.
Sitting at the tables instead of sitting at the floor while we were learning it. Sitting on the chairs is comfier than sitting on the floor for some reason.
So did that help you concentrate?
Yeah.
At the beginning, when you're using your whiteboards, do you enjoy that part of the lesson?
Yeah.
Why?
It's fun to do sums on the whiteboards and
Instead of having to do them on pieces of paper because it's different and
instead of doing them in number.
So do you feel you can make mistakes on the whiteboards and it doesn't matter?
Because you can just rub it out
because
when it doesn't
if you rub
really
out on books, they just ruin it.
So do you think would you use different calculations if you're working on a whiteboard that maybe you wouldn't try in your book?
Yeah, we try harder ones because if we made a mistake, we could just rub it out with our finger or.
So you like doing that? You feel brave when you're using your whiteboards?
Yeah, because if you do just one mistake and you've done a lot of work, it just really puts you down. And if you do it on the whiteboard, you can only rub it out and then
have another go.
Yeah.
Was there anything else you really enjoyed about that lesson?
I enjoyed working in the partners for it.
Why?
You can ask your partner information, and they explain it differently to how the teachers explain it because they know what's wrong with and how you don't get it.
I'm going to go back to my class and I want to know, is there anything that I could do if I teach the same lesson to them to make it an even better lesson?
You could write like a question on the board, like the ones that we did today, so if they don't get it, so that they can sort of copy that down and sort of then don't know what to do for their next one.
So actually show what I need, how you need to lay it out in your book. Yeah. Okay.
I think that we could have used bigger numbers because this morning it was a bit easy because we only used 2-digit and 3-digit numbers, and I think we could have used 3-digit and 4-digit numbers.